In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to wire a bonsai and what's in our wiring kits. To start with, we have the wiring guide sheet, which demonstrates everything you'll need to wire your branches. Then we have 3 different sizes of wire. And some wire cutters. This will include everything you need to wire your bonsai properly and keep it wired and styled in the future. So next, I'm just going to demonstrate how to wire the branches on this Chinese elm here. Just for example of how the branches should look, this tree here has been wired a while ago and is in perfect shape now. So we just want the branches to come down, not stick up like this one here. Okay, so I'm going to start with this bottom branch here. I'm going to start from bottom and work up. So I think for this one, I'm going to use the 2mm wire, which is this one here. So you just want to get your wire just longer than the branch. Okay, so I'll cut that there. So you're going to start with wrapping your wire around the trunk. Like that. And then we're going to take it underneath the branch and over, and you're going to keep wrapping it around the branch just gently, so don't pull too hard because we don't want to damage the bark or anything. Just keep wrapping until you get to the end. You should be able to pull your branch into shape, like so. Next, we're going to do this one here, which is sticking up. I'm going to use the slightly thicker wire for this one. And again, just want it longer than the branch. So again, wrap it round the trunk. Come under the branch. All the way to the end, like that. You can cut off any excess wire at the end afterwards. Okay, so we have then this little twig that's growing off the main branch here. So that's sticking up. So I'm just going to use the thinner wire just to wire that down. So I'm going to do it slightly differently this time. I'm going to come from the bottom of the pot and up and have it up that length. So you should have holes under your bonsai pot, and I'm just going to stick it in there gently, come up to your branch and wrap it round again like we did before. Cut off that excess bit there. And there we go. Now you can see the lovely shape that this bonsai is going to have. So after a couple of months we can take the wire off. We don't want to leave it on too long, otherwise it will start to grow into the trunk, into the branch itself. And there we go.